Lockheed C-5M Super Galaxy, the ultimate heavy lift aircraft. The Lockheed C-5M Super Galaxy is one of the biggest and most powerful military cargo planes in the world, used by the U.S. Air Force to move huge loads across continents. Upgraded with new engines and advanced flight systems, this giant is built to keep flying well into the 2040s. It's designed to carry oversized cargo like tanks, helicopters, and heavy equipment, making it a key player in military missions and disaster relief efforts. What makes the C-5M so special is its massive carrying capacity, up to 281,000 pounds, and its ability to fly long distances without needing to refuel. It can travel 2,150 nautical miles, unload, and then fly another 500 miles, all in one go. Plus, it can take off and land on short runways, allowing it to reach hard-to-access areas. Whether it's delivering supplies to troops, flying aid to disaster zones, or helping in emergencies around the world, the C-5M is a trusted workhorse. It's not just a plane, it's a lifesaver, ready for action in both war and peace, built to carry the weight of the world and keep flying strong. Magnetic pixels, screens that come to life. Magnetic pixels are a cool new technology that could completely change the way we use screens. Instead of just showing images or videos like regular screens, magnetic pixels can move up and down to create real shapes you can touch and feel. Imagine watching a map and being able to feel the mountains, or having buttons that rise out of your screen when you need them, then disappear when you don't. That's the magic of magnetic pixels. Each pixel is a tiny piece controlled by magnets that can push it up or pull it down. When thousands of these work together, they can form 3D designs right on a screen's surface. This could be great for video games, virtual reality, or helping people who are blind feel pictures and information. You could even have a screen that changes shape during a movie, or a phone with buttons that appear only when you're typing. Although it's still being developed, magnetic pixel technology is full of promise. It could make digital devices more interactive, more fun, and easier to use. In the future, your screen might not just show images. It could move, change shape, and come to life right in front of you. Manta 5 SL3, ride a bike on water. The Manta 5 SL3 is a super cool invention that lets you ride a bike on water just like you would on land. Made in New Zealand, this electric hydrofoil bike is designed to float and glide smoothly over lakes, rivers, and even calm ocean waves. It looks like a normal bike, but has underwater wings and an electric motor that helps lift you up and keep you moving on the water's surface. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, it's built for all skill levels with adjustable settings and an easy-to-balance design. You can launch it from a beach, dock, or even a boat, and if you fall off, it's easy to climb back on and start riding again. The electric assist makes pedaling easier so you can ride longer without getting too tired. The SL3 is lightweight, strong, and eco-friendly, making it perfect for fitness, fun, or adventure. It gives you a whole new way to explore the water. No waves or boats needed. If you've ever dreamed of biking across a lake or cruising over water with ease, the Manta 5 SL3 turns that dream into reality. It's fun, futuristic, and totally unforgettable. Narma, smart drones that deliver fast and save lives. Narma is changing the world of drone delivery with its groundbreaking AF100, the first electric dual tiltrotor drone ever made. Designed with help from Korean aerospace experts, this high-tech drone can take off and land vertically like a helicopter, then fly fast and far like a plane. This makes it perfect for important jobs like emergency deliveries, medical transport, farming tasks, and security surveillance. The AF100 is already being used in places like the US, Kenya, South Africa, and Indonesia. It can deliver life-saving devices like defibrillators quickly during emergencies. Another model, the AF200, works like a flying ambulance, helping move patients or supplies between hospitals when every second counts. What sets Narma apart is its smart design and real-world focus. Node Air, the future of city travel is taking off. Node Air is a Miami-based company that's bringing a whole new way to travel through cities. Founded in 2022, they're developing a modern flying vehicle called an eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. This flying machine can lift off straight from the ground like a helicopter and fly smoothly like an airplane. No runway needed. What makes Node Air special is its smart modular design. The aircraft can easily switch between different setups, one for carrying passengers, another for cargo, or even custom setups for special tasks. It's like a flying all-purpose vehicle built for modern city life. Oxagon, a floating city built for the future. Oxagon is a one-of-a-kind industrial city being built on the Red Sea that's set to change the way the world thinks about factories, trade, and clean energy. What makes Oxagon truly special is that it's the largest floating industrial complex in the world. And it's powered 100% by renewable energy, like solar power and green hydrogen. Designed with zero waste in mind, Oxagon follows the circular economy model, which means it reuses resources and keeps everything running as efficiently as possible. It's also packed with smart technology to support industries like robotics, green energy, and high-tech manufacturing. One of the most exciting features is its fully automated port, which will handle international shipping faster and smarter, making Oxagon a major global trade hub. The PAL V Liberty is a real-life flying car that lets you drive on the road and take off into the sky, all with the same vehicle. With its clever rotating wings and smooth transition between driving and flying modes, this high-tech machine gives you the freedom to travel wherever you want, whenever you want. Whether you're stuck in traffic or planning an adventure, the Liberty is built to make your journey exciting and easy. It comes with advanced safety features like weather radar and backup systems to keep you secure in all conditions. Inside, the premium interior offers a comfortable, stylish ride, whether you're behind the wheel or soaring through the sky. This is more than just a futuristic idea. It's a working, road-legal vehicle that brings real adventure to everyday life. You can escape traffic, explore far-off places, or simply enjoy the thrill of flying. Plantiform Indoor Garden. The Plantiform Indoor Garden is a smart and modern way to grow plants at home without any mess or effort. Inspired by NASA's fogponics technology, it uses a gentle mist to feed nutrients directly to the roots instead of using soil. This helps plants grow faster, healthier, and cleaner. It's designed to fit perfectly in small spaces like apartments, homes, or offices, thanks to its sleek and compact look. What makes Plantiform truly special is its built-in AI system. It takes care of everything for you, from lighting to watering and humidity, making sure your plants get exactly what they need at the right time. Whether you're growing herbs, leafy greens, or decorative plants, it makes gardening easy and fun for everyone, even if you've never planted a seed before. It's clean, quiet, and sustainable, perfect for a modern lifestyle. Quantum computers, the next level super machines. Quantum computers are amazing new machines that work in a totally different way than regular computers. While normal computers use bits that are either 0 or 1, quantum computers use qubits, which can be 0, 1, or both at the same time. This strange ability, called superposition, lets them solve really hard problems much faster than even the most powerful supercomputers today. Another cool trick they use is entanglement, where two qubits are connected in such a way that changing one instantly affects the other, even if they're far apart. These special features come from quantum physics, the science of how the tiniest particles in the universe behave. Quantum computers are not meant to replace your phone or laptop. Instead, they're being built to solve big, complex challenges, like creating new medicines, improving weather forecasts, helping artificial intelligence, and even cracking codes that are impossible for regular computers. SAF Light SLRV, a space-inspired eco-friendly car. The SAF Light SLRV is a unique two-seater car created by the German Aerospace Center, and it looks like something straight out of a space movie. This futuristic car is extremely lightweight, only about 990 pounds, because it's built using special foamed metal, making it strong yet super light. What makes it really impressive is that it runs on a single hydrogen fuel cell and can travel over 250 miles without producing any pollution. That means zero CO2 emissions, which is great for the environment. Its sleek, capsule-like shape is no surprise, since it was designed by engineers who also work on aircraft and space vehicles. This car is perfect for short city commutes or as a shared ride, and it's built with comfort, innovation, and sustainability in mind. While the expected price is around $60,000, it offers a smart and eco-friendly solution for people who want to drive clean and futuristic vehicles.